The bubble house. Look at these unusual houses. You can see very strange designs. What is your dream house like? Where is it? By the sea? In a forest? On a mountain? Look at this house. It's in the shape of bubbles. This is Pierre Cardin's house. He's a famous designer. His house is famous too. It is the bubble house. It is in the town of Théoule-sur-Mer, near Cannes in France. It is on red cliffs next to the Mediterranean Sea. There is a great view of the blue sea from the house. This isn't like an ordinary house. There's a garden with a waterfall and a stream outside the house. There are pools, palm trees and exotic plants too. Inside, the house has got a smooth round form. There are almost no straight lines. There are 28 round rooms with oval windows. The rooms are like soap bubbles. There are 2 kitchens, 2 bathrooms and a big living room. There are also 10 bedrooms. The beds are round too. There are thick carpets. The furniture is simple, but most of it, such as the sofas, beds and coffee tables, is round. There aren't any pictures on the walls. For Pierre Cardin, the house is the art. The bubble house is an amazing house. It's a great place to invite friends. You can relax and have fun in the bubble house. What is your dream house like? Is it like the bubble house?